Hello everyone, I wanted to make an update video regarding Bill C-12 now that we have more information and clarity from the government. As we all know, Bill C-12 became law 4 days ago on March 26, 2026, and now the government has released their temporary public policy on what their next steps are going to be for people that are impacted by this new law. So if you are somebody that knows this new law will apply to you and your case, this is the right time for you to start looking at what your next steps will be so you are prepared and not caught off guard. Over here, they go on to explain that anybody that is not referred to IRB will be offered PRA and will be given the opportunity to either apply for a work permit while waiting for their PRA or continue working on their asylum work permit that they already have while waiting for their PRA. What is PRA? PRA is a pre-removal risk assessment. This is not an application that you can just choose to apply for on your own. It is an application that has to be offered to you by the government. Over here, we're looking at 2 PRA applications that we did for our clients last week. This client was offered PRA and the application had to be submitted by March 27, 2026. They were offered PRA on March 12 and we had to submit the application by March 27 and we have to submit all evidence and submissions by April 11. As you can see, from the time you get offered PRA to the time you need to submit your application, there is not that much time in between. Which is why if you are somebody that knows they will be impacted by the new changes, this is the right time for you to seek counsel to start getting guidance on what makes a strong PRA application and what documents and evidence that you can start to collect now. So when you do get offered PRA, you don't find yourself scrambling. Over here, we have another client that received a PRA application and this had to be submitted by March 25. Both of these applications we were able to successfully and completely submit on time for our clients. So if you need somebody to assist and guide you on this process of a PRA or for applying for a work permit after applying for PRA, definitely we can help you with this. Also, if you are somebody that is not impacted by the changes of Bill C-12, so that's people that entered Canada for the first time before June 24, 2020, or if you're somebody that's been in Canada for less than 1 year, or 14 days if you're somebody that entered from a land border crossing between the US and Canada, you are not impacted by the changes of Bill C-12. And if you need to apply for asylum, we can definitely help you apply for asylum under the normal process that was in place. So for anybody that is anxious or worried about what this new law and these new temporary public policies means for you, or if you have somebody that submitted your asylum application for you and now you need someone to represent you and prepare you for your hearing, we are licensed to help you in all of these matters and we have the experience to back it up as well. Give us a call, visit us in our office, or set up a consultation, and we would love to go over how this affects you and what you can do to best prepare yourself.